Cindy, sorry, I'm bothering you again. I was just going ready to go to bed, but then I believe I know you. Perhaps you got it wrong, the previous problem, just by looking at the answer you provided. Huge difference when we are solving an equation versus simplifying an expression, right? We use almost the same technique, but the answer is completely different, and you see why. So notice that I'm using the same thing, right? But we are going to simplify a complex fraction. We are going to solve a rational equation. Almost the same. Of course, the LCD, I believe you're an expert with this one, is of course x minus 9 times x plus 9 once we factor this puppy. So since I know you know it, I'm going to, if you don't mind, going to go ahead and rewrite this one like that in factored form. I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay. Oof, it's going to be bad, but you know what I wrote here. Very cool. So we already did this one. So let's redo something very similar. So the LCD x minus 1 x plus x minus 9 x plus 9. And as I explained to the previous video, we multiply top and bottom by x plus 9 x minus 9 over 1, right? And then, of course, once we distribute here, it will show up. And I hope you don't mind if I do this. I believe you already know what is here, right? X plus 9, x minus 9, you get the idea. So once I simplify this one, x minus 1, x minus 9, this blah, blah. So the answer will be 18. The numerator gets simplified by 18. No more fractions in the numerator. In the denom, x minus 9 with x minus 1 simplifies, so we'll have 5 times x plus 9 plus 1, which you know, right? But I'm going to do it anyways. X plus 9, so it'll be x minus 9, right? And then if we simplify 18, 5x plus 45, okay? And then 1x minus 9. So plus x minus 9. So simplifying this one, since I'm running out of space, that would be 5x plus 1x, that would be 6x. If you don't mind, I'm going to do this. 6x and 49 minus that would be 40. So 6x plus 40. 25, yeah. Notice here all the numbers are even. So I can factor out, we can cancel the 2 everywhere. Well, let's just be proper. Let's go ahead and factor the 2 times 9, and then 2 parentheses 3x plus 20 plus 20, and now 2 over 2 by, and then the final answer would be 9 over 3x plus 20, and we are done. Right, so that's it. 20 doesn't 5 equal 4, 10 times 2, and that's it. Okay. So we simplify a complex fraction by rewriting it using the LCD, and then we have a simple fraction, just a normal fraction, numerator over denominator, not complex fraction as we started. Now we're going to solve totally different monster using the same route. Namely, we need to multiply the LCD, multiply by the LCD. So the LCD, of course, here is x plus 9, x minus 9. My God, I took my computer to Kindle today and didn't like it when I move it out of here. So I multiply x minus 9, x plus 9, right? Everything, left and right. So now what I'm doing, I multiply by x minus 9, left and right. Not just like when I multiply 2 to the left, 2 to the right, I just simply multiply by x minus 9, x plus 9, left and right. And something that I forgot, of course, we have to be careful in this problem. We have to make sure that x cannot be 9, x cannot be negative 9, because then my denominator becomes 0. Okay? So we are safe to continue doing everything as long as my x the value of x is not 9 or negative 9. And it's important that we keep track of that. So here, of course, x minus 9, x minus 9, bye-bye. So x plus 9 prevails. So 5 times x plus 9, which is 5x plus 45. One down, one to go. Plus x plus 9, x plus 9. So it will be 1 parenthesis x minus 9. So it will be 1x minus 9 equals to what? To 18. See, it's totally different, very similar but different. 5 plus 1, that will be 6x plus 40 minus 40. 45, so I made a mistake here, right? I just know, what did I do? It was 45 minus 9, so I don't know where I got the 40. So just adjust this guy accordingly, right? So I just made a boo-boo now. I'm so sorry. It was 18 over 5x más 45 más 1x menos 9. So 18 over 5 plus 1, 6x, 45 minus 9 will be 36. 45, 36, I think, yeah. Oh, now I can factor by 6, let's see, per se, yeah. I can cancel 6 everywhere. Right, so if I factor out the 6, 6 times 3, 6 parentheses, x más 6, 6 over 6, bye-bye, so that will be 3 over x plus 6. I might probably made a boo-boo somewhere, but hopefully you get the idea. Just double check the numbers, please, because I made a boo-boo now that I just noticed that I don't know what I wrote, 40 over 49, I don't know. Maybe I think that's what I did, 49. 5 times 9, for some reason I did 49. I just don't remember. It's getting late. So 5x plus 1x, 6x. 45 minus 9, that would be 36 equals 18. We can subtract 18. 18 minus 36 will be negative 18. When I divide by 3, by 6, the answer will be negative 3. So x equals negative 3, which we accept this answer because the ones that we had to reject were negative 9 and 9. So we are done. So very different, folks, very different, Cindy. When we are solving, I use the multiply by the LCD, but I'm solving that. And here I just simply go, just simplifying with the LCD. I hope that helps. So have a good one. So anyway, so why did I do that? Because I believe somehow you were leaving this in the numerator in your problem. Here it was 18, but if you were multiplying somehow what you were multiplying, the denominator was in your numerator. I think that's what the issue that you were having. You were mixing solving versus simplifying, I think. But we'll talk on Tuesday, okay? Have a good one and enjoy your weekend. Bye.